So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find a fixer-upper home here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go and type in your location. So in this case, I'll search up Los Angeles for an example, and then I'll press on search. Now, if you're looking for a home that is more of a fixer-upper, so perhaps more of a project or a cheaper house, whatever the case may be, I want you to go to the top here to where it says filters, and then just scroll down to where it says home filters, and where it says fixer-upper right here, make sure that fixer-upper is selected. So now what this is going to be doing is actually steering you guys into the direction of houses that may qualify as a fixer-upper. So you can go ahead and explore the listings there. But super simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can find a fixer-upper home for sale here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.